The skies over the Pacific during World War II became a deadly arena, a theater of intense aerial combat. U.S. Navy pilots, skilled and courageous, faced relentless danger in fierce dogfights against their Japanese counterparts. Gun camera footage captured these brutal engagements, offering a raw and visceral look at the reality of aerial warfare. The sounds of those battles were a symphony of chaos. The roar of engines, the staccato bursts of machine gun fire, the concussive force of explosions as planes were hit and fell from the sky. These were the sounds of survival, of skill, and of constant peril, echoing the intense bravery and sacrifice demanded of these pilots in the Pacific theater. Each flight, each battle, was a testament to the courage and determination of those who fought in the skies, a high-stakes gamble where the stakes were nothing less than life itself.